Hello, and welcome to another update video on Solana. Yeah, Solana has pretty much done what it needed to do. It's followed the roadmap today quite well. Overall, however, not much happened. So we have not formed a new high. We have not broken any support levels, but we might be working on this wave 4 correction that I explained already. It could be unfolding in the last video. Okay, so we discussed that. Obviously, we discussed here a potential 5-wave move to the upside, right? I mean, that's the thesis. I also shared the daily chart and how it all fits together, but in this video, I just want to give you a quick update on a short-term basis here on the short-term chart and count. The idea is at the moment that, yeah, I mean, this here might be a 5-wave move to the upside that's unfolding, and that 5-wave move to the upside could be a diagonal structure. We have a 3-wave move up in wave 1, we have a wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, could be unfolding right now, and then one more high. Because the 3rd wave reached the 161.8 fib extension, the 5th wave should get to the 200%, at least, I'd say. $192 to $196, that would be the next target. It did what it needed to do in this 3rd wave, okay? And we could now be in the 4th. And I shared with you in the last video, and I'm going to take a look at the smaller time frame here. I shared with you in the last update that we likely formed the A wave. This is a 3-wave move up in wave B, and the C wave down could still unfold then. So earlier today, I think we kind of were just tracking the end of the A wave, right? Fibonacci resistance for the B wave. Sometimes B waves, by the way, don't respect Fibonacci resistance so well. So it's simply a pivot, simply an area to watch, not really a confirmation that wave C to the downside has started. But resistance is between $181.81 and $185.17. And from there, then a C wave decline could start. Take us into this support zone between $170.40 and $176.24. Any break below this zone would rather indicate that this chart has failed to form a 5-wave move up from the August low. A failure to do so does basically leave us without any confirmation that really a meaningful low formed in August. We need 5 waves. We need that series of higher highs and higher lows. So yeah, but at the moment we haven't even reached support, okay? Normally we say an ideal target for a 4th wave is the 38.2 retracement, in this case at $176.24. So what are we watching for now? Just now we are watching for reaction here, for any kind of reaction that the C wave down has started. This does look like I'd say a pretty textbook ABC up. Could of course get a few more upside squiggles than 184.29 and 185.17 are the next micro resistance levels. And then any break, I'd say at least below this low here at 178.60 could indicate the C wave down has started. If the C wave down starts from here, Fibonacci extension to the downside, this would be a target zone. Just lands basically within the broader support zone. The 100% extension target, which is often a target for a C wave, is located at 175.67. But there's not yet any confirmation that the B wave has really topped. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure you follow us on X for additional updates. Thanks so much. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching the videos on this YouTube channel. If you've been thinking about joining MCO as a member, now might be a great time. You can use the link in the video description and apply the discount code right below it. You will get 50% off your first month of our Gold membership, and you can explore everything we offer. It's the easiest way to test the membership, see if it's a good fit for you, and get a feel for the community, join the conversation, and I'm looking forward to meeting you in our member area.